Right. Good morning, everyone. What we are discussing last class, guys? Yeah, online students, from today onwards, I am giving chat permission everyone. Okay, everyone should reply with everyone option so that your answers will be visible to other people also. Okay, so that together you are learning. Other students who are sleeping, they will also get motivated by seeing your messages. Is it clear? Next, in the chat window, because I gave you everyone permission, if you show your talent and share any links like WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, or some other extra messages we send, you will be removed from the batch without returning fees. Your admission will be cancelled immediately. Understood? Online students, did you listen what I say? Waiting for your answer. So chat window use only for answers to reply or ask your questions. Clear? Apart from the subject discussion, any extra masala if you do, then I will show my talent. Okay. Quotation of the day. Learning is never done without errors and defeat. Is it true? It is not my quotation. I just collected from the Google. Okay. But it is apt for suitable to our current class. You are at beginning, right? You are at beginning days. When you are learning anything, you will definitely commit mistakes. Definitely there are confusions. Then slowly you are going to get some frustrations. Hey, any program I type, I am getting errors. Nonsense. And next is not understanding, very difficult. If you are approaching the subject with a mind, I am unable to do, I am not understanding, you always fail in your life. You should approach the new thing with a mindset, what I am missing, something I am missing. That's why I'm not understand what I have missed, what point I have to consider to understand this point. Is it clear? So whenever you feel difficult something, oh, some point I missed. Suppose today in morning 7 a.m., I told one sentence to them. Alright, this is the point you have to consider to answer my questions. They have not considered that point. They didn't remember that point, trying to answer as per their wish. They are thinking their own way and answering. Then right answers will come or wrong answers will come? Wrong answers. Then they feel Java very tough or not? If they consider the point I gave and apply those points in the given interview questions, then correct answer will come. They started feeling very easy. Understood Java. Oh, and Java is very easy. So tell me, cycle riding first day, tough or easier? Very tough. And you are getting fear or not? Oh, falling this side, falling that side. Your father is saying, okay, don't fear, I am there. Okay, now he is balancing that side, this side, this side, that side. Slowly, slowly, your body, you accepted either forcibly or by interest. Slowly, your father started giving confidence. Slowly, you understood, oh, when cycle is falling this side, I should move my body right side. When cycle falling left side, I have to move my body right side. Why you are waiting there? Why you are waiting there? Tell me. Why are you waiting there? You already came late. Again, you are disturbing the class by taking permission. Okay? Many times I told, again I'm telling, don't ask permissions. Come directly into the class. So I have to stop explanation. Look, Aja. Again, I am breaking my flow, right? So when you come late, come directly. Don't ask permissions. Come again. So what the point? Slowly, slowly, you will understand the balance. Okay. So don't feel anything is tough. Don't feel anything easy. It's all your feeling only. I want to learn, let me learn. If I face any difficulty, let me find a solution, move on. Childhood, after you first you turn, then you started sitting, balancing your body. Then next you are standing, balancing your body. Then next walking, balancing your body. In childhood, do you know what the meaning of failure? Never. You only know one thing. What is that? I should stand. Trying to stand, fell down. Again trying to stand, fell down. And one fine day you stand by your own, isn't it? So until you achieve your target, you should keep on try. Take the help of some other person. In childhood, you are taking help of wall, taking help of the cot, and then standing, isn't it? Same story now also. So don't feel something is tough. Everything is easy. Only your mindset. Okay, all the people decided it's easy, but while developing the code, you will get errors. How many more errors you learn, that much more knowledge you gain. Again repeating, how many more errors you learn, that much more knowledge you gain. Understood? Tell me, written test exam meant for writing programs or answering the given questions? Write program, answer the questions. You never write programs in the written test exam. Write program option will be second round. In the first round, program will be given to you asking what is the output of this program. So to answer what is the output of this program, you must read program line by line like a compiler yesterday. Compiler reading first line, correct? Oh, chalo. Second line, correct? Yes. Third line, correct? Yes. Fourth line, correct? Yes. Compiler software checking line by line. Syntax mistake is there or not there. If syntax mistake is there, throwing error. If syntax mistake is not there, not throwing error, going for next line. Finally, converting the entire source code to bytecode, saving inside a new file with a .class extension with class name as its name. This entire process in the written test exam, who has to do? The real compiler or you are? You have to do. That means in the interview room, you have to think like a human compiler. Once you found there are no syntax mistakes, next what you have to do? You have to start run program line by line. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, line by line you have to run and find output, print output. Then finally what output you got? That output you have to choose in the option. That means in real world, I mean in our programming world, who is reading that, who is running the program? JVM. But in the written test exam, who has to run the program? You. That means your thought process should be like human, or thought process should be like compiler and JVM. Okay, let me ask a question. Last week I installed JDK software. Where did I install? In your brain. I didn't install in the system. I installed in your brain. Last 1 week, I am trying, not last day, last 3 days, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, last 3 days, I am training you, or I am training the JDK software there in your brain. I am training JDK software there in your brain. I am slowly enabling, slowly making compiler JVM work that is installed in your brain. Understood, buddy? So please start think like a compiler. Don't show your when you see program, you should not look at, wow, what a nice program, what should I do? You should not think like this. Understand my point? You have to look at the program and you have to start look at the program like a compiler. Is first line syntactically correct? Is second line syntactically correct? Is third line syntactically correct? Yes, all complete program syntactically correct. Then I have to go for what? Running the program. First, from where I have to start? From first line to last line? No. From main method first line to main method last line. So this is the way you have to start prepare step by step in your mind. So as many more errors you learn, that much easily pass your written test exam. Is my statement right? If you don't learn errors, only writing program, seeing output, my day done. My target, type the program, see output. Type program, see output. Finally become compiler JVM or finally become typist? Typist. You just typing the program, control running Java C, running Java, seeing output, okay, my job is done. In the written test exam, are you testing on how to compile, how to execute program? No. Java C, Java, you are not testing. Program compilation, program execution knowledge will be tested. That's why, what is your job from today? Just type and see output. Tell me, your learning started by typing, seeing output, or after program output? After program output seeing, your real learning started. What you have to do? Open Java program. Okay, let me open our first Java program. Online students, everyone can hear me? Some people are saying cannot hear. Where is this? Okay. Look at here. I'll show you how to work out. You also try. Open your first program, Hello World program. Where is open loop? I open my first program. Okay. Close all these files. This is our first program. After you type your program daily, every day, what you have to do? Do mistakes. Okay, na? Don't talk. When I am talking, if you talk, I will throw you out from the class. You people are humans. Hope you know. Okay, na? If when I am talking, if you are talking, is it not disturbance to others? Either it is subject or outside, anything. When I am talking, don't talk. It irritates the faculty. Not only me, every faculty, any faculty, and moreover, your side friends also. So, now look at here. Class first program, main method. Okay, Arav Gupta, shall I remove you from the class? Let me remove you from the class. If I remove you one day, then your brain will be properly working. Okay, I'm putting you in waiting room. Online students, did you understand why I put him in waiting room? Don't show extra talent, okay? What I am trying to explain, what stupid questions you are asking. Control yourself. What you are asking, what you are not asking, you should know. Google Classroom code you want now. Now tell me. Class first program. Now main method. Println. So tell me, when you type Java C, example.java, program is compiled. Dot class file is created and it is saved in which, what is the name? First program dot class. First program dot class, right? Now, when you type Java C example dot Java, what mind you must have observed? Compiler software will go to example dot Java file. Who is working? Compiler working or you are working? You are working, not compiler. Who is compiler? You only compiler, bhaiya. There is no compiler, you only compiler. When I type Java C example.java, compiler will go to example.java file. I am the compiler. Then class, first program, is it syntactically right? CLASS, correct. First program, any space? No. F and P capital letter? Yes. F and P capital letter mandatory or optional? Optional, but good programming is F and P capital letter. Then next, public keyword all small letter, static all small letter, void all small letter, main all small letter, string S capital letter, remaining all small letter, bracket args, system dot out dot println double quote started, double quotes end, between characters ignored, ends with semicolon, closed bracket, closed bracket. Wow, this program is correctly written, syntactically correct. Okay, then after that, you have to feel, I should run this program, Java first program. When I run Java first program, what is the flow of execution? Come on, everyone, tell me. JVM means who? Me only. JVM, go for first program dot class and searching for top to bottom or searching for main method? Searching for main method, public static void main string array args, and what is the statement I have written? SOPLN. That statement will come and print HK programming world message is printed. HK programming world message printed. Is this the output program? I mean, is this the output my client asked to display? Yes. So I have written program, compiled successfully, executed successfully as per my client output also coming. Everyone understand? Now you have to realize one point. Is your learning completed or just started? Typing program by seeing output, your learning is not completed, now started. What now started? Okay, I want to pass interview. In interview room, interview will not ask me, write a program to print hello world on the console. He will ask me, he will give this program and ask me, tell me, are there any compile time errors? Tell me, are there any runtime errors? Tell me, what is the output of this program? What is the output of the below program? Means totally 3 points are there. What is the output of the below program? Means 3 points are there. Number 1, compile time error, also output. Runtime error, also output. The original message displaying on the console, that is also output. So what is the right output? You have to find compile time error or runtime error or output. Understand my point? Daily class strength is full. Today, why class strength is less? February 14. Fees collection already started many days back, na? Today class strength is less because of February 14 and also one small festival was there. Festival is there. Saraswati Devi Puja is there, right? Because of two reasons come down. So I should know why the strength is come less. I have to check myself, okay? When a program is given, why is there any output? Why students are coming less? Oh, February 14, Lovers Day, na? Achha, okay. See, there are many lovers in the class also, no? Right. So their celebrations also will be there. Now we have to fall in love with whom? Java. Today is a auspicious day for you all people. Come on, my dear lovers. I love Java. Say. My proposal is completed. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, today onwards, at this minute onwards, you have already committed. Okay, now you have one lover. If somebody coming and trying, what do you say? Sorry, I have already lover. Okay, who is your lover? Yeah, invisible lover Java is there. Okay, see, my lover is here. Okay. So wherever you are going, your first lover, your first wife, your first husband is what? Java. Clear my point? Come to Java now. Tell me now. Finally, what the important point? After compilation and after seeing output, your learning is started. All are ready? What you have to do? You yourself commit mistake. What type of feeling you should have? I always feel when I write a program, if I don't get any errors, will you happier, sadder? Are you happier? Then you are best fellow in the world. You are not a learner. In a company, if you don't get errors, you should be happy. As a developer, you should be happy. As a learner, if you are happy, that means you are not ready to learn anything new. How many more errors you get, that much more learning will be there. That is what today's slide. Learning is never done without errors and defeat. Okay? Tell me. So, what is the story? When there are no errors coming out of your program, no compile time error, no runtime error, you should feel so sad. A worst program. Not giving me any knowledge. Let me torture. Okay? Come back. Come to this program. You intentionally remove semicolon. Something you remove. When you will get error, when you miss something, right? Remove semicolon, save it, go to command prompt now. How to open command prompt? Start CMD. After that, change drive, change directory, then Java C, example.java. Okay, like this you are following. Now we are following the new style. Open your present working directory, nothing but Java basic. Here, click, type CMD. Command prompt automatically open with that path. How now? Now you should tell in the first day itself. Na? Why that D change you command prompt? You torture us like anything. Correct? If I tell shortcuts, if it not work, if the shortcut not work in your system, you should know complete process and then what? Shortcut. Online students, do you understand why I don't teach Eclipse? Eclipse is a shortcut. First, if you know the complete path, then shortcut also you have to learn. You should know how to prepare the food, then you have to go for curry shop. If only depending on curry shop, after few days, you will get gas trouble problem. Curry shop or hostel only for occasion, 1 or 2 times. So always you have to follow your own preparation. Okay, done. Now tell me. Here I'm typing Java C example.java. When I press enter, definitely I'll get error. No doubt in that. Definitely I'll get error. But now what is that error I wanted to know? What is the error compiler throwing? Semicolon not there. So compiler must throw error, semicolon not there. Every statement must ends with what? Semicolon. Let's see. What compiler throwing? After seeing this error message, now all you students, what will you do? Look at this side, that side. Hello, lab coordinator. Come here. Look, error coming. Solve this error. If lab coordinator solving your problem, he will become experienced person, not you. He will get the job fast, not you. So don't depend on lab coordinator. Don't make lab coordinator knowledge. Simple, Abba, simple. Java is a plain English programming language. Simple terms English programming language. Show some, interest to read error. Don't be lazy. Only 2 lines are there. Read. Read completely. I don't understand. Example.java : 3 : error : single quote, comma, semicolon. Hey, should not read like that. In middle, some connecting words are missing. You read. It is an error, na? Where did I get error? See, compiler is talking to you. Hello, developer. This is the error. Then you have to communicate with the compiler. Hi, compiler. You throw me error. Thank you. Where is the error? Ask a question. Where is the error? Error is in example.java file. Where in example.java, where line number 3. What is the error? Semicolon expected. Oh, thank you. So I should go to line number 3. Where is line number? 1, 2, 3. Semicolon expected. Put semicolon. See, compiler asks you what? Semicolon expected, line number 3. Otherwise, place a semicolon. You will show your talent, no? Now compiler, if you compile it, it will look at and smile. Array, dirty fellow. Semicolon not here, here. Observe first error itself, first error itself. When I compile it, observe compiler software nicely showing the error message. Hello, in example.java at in line number 3, error is there, semicolon expected to solve this error. Babu, don't show your talent. This is line number 3. You have to place a semicolon here. Look at that. Clearly it is showing. Compile timer mark also showing how to solve. That means compiler software is such an intelligent, it is helping you fully. But you people, lazy fellows, depending on lab coordinate. So don't depend on anyone. You can solve your problems by your own. Only thing you have to read properly. Go to the end of the line. Acha, here I should place semicolon. Save it. Clear screen. Compile it. Compile successfully. Wow, nice. Understood? How to solve the errors by your own? Tell me. Learning start from output or from errors? As many more errors you get, that much more knowledge you will get. If you type program correctly, will you get errors? No. So first you type correctly, and first you type correctly, see the output correctly, then you start doing experiments. So now intentionally you do. Let's continue some more experiments. As many more errors we know, that much more knowledge we will get. If I remove semicolon, what the error? Semicolon expected. Remove double quotes. What is our target? Remove double quotes. Remove. If I remove double quotes, what happened? Clear screen. We know definitely compiler throwing error. What the error it is throwing? Let's see now. Java C example.java. Java C example.java. Definitely error will get. What is the error? Read error. This is I no need to read. This much I no need to read. Okay, na? Right. I have to read only after error. What? Unclosed string literal. Hey, 1 minute. You know, lot of Java terminology, lot of vocabulary you will learn from compile time errors. Observe compiler software talking something like this. Unclosed. Come on. String literal. Unclosed. String literal. Oh, string literal. Some new word is coming. Then you ask a question. What is string literal? What is string? What is literal? What is string literal? Okay. This double quotes on words available is called what? String literal. Unclosed string literal. Acha. In a real world, from the operating system point of view, this is called what? Text. In a program, in Java program, that text is called what? String literal. Acha, okay. That way you have to realize. You have to analyze, realize. This ARV technique, if you follow, within few days, your learning style, your maturity will be very high standard level. Okay. Okay. So double quotes when I start, I have to say what? Literal should be closed, and I have to call it as what? String literal. Acha. Okay. Done. And then now I place double quotes here. Then come here, remove this double quote. What is our target? As many more errors, those many I have to get. Remove double quotes, go here, clear screen, compile it. Tell me, will you get compile time error? Yes. Guess. 2 errors already you have seen how compiler throwing. Third error you try to guess. What will be the third error? Previously when I remove end, start. This is start, that is close. Begin, open, close. First double quotes is open. Last double quotes is called close. Oh, when close is not there, what error I got? Unclosed string literal. What will be the error if I don't try to open? Come on, guess what? Unopen. That is unclosed and it isn't a unopened string literal. Okay, unopened string. Hey, what are you talking? Where is the unopened? It is coming bracket, comma, expected, and it is throwing what? Unclosed string literal. Unclosed string literal. Hey, this is closed, na? Come on. Last double quote is what? Closed, na? But what compiler throwing error? Unclosed. Oh. Double. This is not string literal. HK programming world is not a string literal. Wherever double quotes is started, that is a starting point of string literal. Acha, I understood wrongly. I was thinking that HK programming world is a string literal and this last end string is what? Double quote close. Here double quote start. So I got unopen compile time error, but I got unclosed. From this, what is analyzation you have to get? Your understanding, compiler software understanding is different. You change compiler to you. No. We have to change according to compiler to get the marks. Achha, wherever double quotes first time start, that is open. Okay, now understood. Okay, nice. I will do one thing. Okay, I will remove this double quotes also. What is my target? Experiments I have to do. Okay, if I remove this double quotes also, what compiler will tell me? What compiler will consider the HK programming world? This explanatory mark is getting some extra confusion to compiler. I'm removing it. Only HK programming world text I'm writing. Now if I compile it, compiler software now will throw unopened string literal, unclosed string literal. No, string literal begin double quotes wherever start, that is the starting and end. So what would be the compiler throwing error? Let us see now. Hey, what is the compile time error? Read. Cannot find a symbol. Who is the symbol? Down you have symbol. Who is the symbol? Variable HK programming world. Where? In this class. Okay. Acha. If I write some word, some text, some letter, if I write a letter or a word in a double quotes, that is considered as what? String literal. If I write it directly, is it considered as a string or is it considered as a variable? So what is variable? I don't know. I also don't know, na? You, me, both are started at what? 0. I also don't know. You also don't know. Okay, variable, some new knowledge I am getting. New point I am getting. Acha, there is a concept called what? Variable in Java. Okay, coming days we'll understand variable. So remember, whenever I write double quotes, start a double quote, end a double quote, this text or word is considered as what? Literal, string literal text. If I, without double quotes, if I write, acha, this is considered as what? Variable. With the name HK programming world, I have not created any variable in the program. That's why compiler throwing error. Variable cannot find symbol variable. So all people understand? Two terminologies we understand now from the compile time error. String literal, number 2 variable. Okay, nice. Wow, wonderful. New point silent. Let me try one more. Now double quotes you add here, double quotes you add here. समझ में आया ना? Semicolon related point, double quote related point, and this is text related point. You wanted to stop here and go out of the lab, or do you want more experiment? In this program, I should not find any new error. If you take one program, how many errors will come? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or I don't know. Until all errors are solved, I wanted to keep on try. It may take 10 minutes or 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I least bother until the lab coordinator throw me out of the interview. Throw me out of the lab. I will keep on try. If I have laptop, my own laptop, with the laptop, I will go to the lab. With your laptop also allowed, you know. With the laptop also allowed. If you don't have a laptop, directly you can work on the system. I always recommend you work in the lab, not in your room. If you work in your room, the problem, you know, after a few minutes completed, your friend will come and say, hey, how much time we will work, mama? Let's go outside. Next, or if you keep on working, you will come. Andra, you want to become Bill Gates, eh? Still working, tomorrow you want to get job, huh? You work cheyadu, manal work cheyanidi. You don't want to learn, you don't allow me to learn. Okay? Why no? Your friends have one selfish mentality. If you practice, if you study, you will get job. Then you don't have company, na? And whenever he don't get job, when his parents are called him and asked, Era, when will you get job? Look, there are no jobs in the industry. Look, my friend also didn't get job. If you get job, whom he will show? Understood a problem? Your friends are the most dangerous people. That's why stay away from them. Okay? You should work in Ameripet with an unknown people. Now, tell me. I have a question. I want to work more. I want to get more errors. Up to here, I am clear. Let me remove this bracket. What happened? Because every character you have to try. Every character you have to try. What there are coming? bracket, close bracket, open bracket started. Here what we are expecting? Close bracket. Nice. Let me remove this bracket here. What happened? Open bracket expected asking a no. Because where you have to start open bracket, you don't know. Not a statement, semicolon expected, something it is throwing. So you have to start habituate with the compile time errors, how it is throwing if I remove them. Next, yes, small s I am taking. Okay, capital S, why you should, I'll write small s, whatever. Compile it, compiler throwing error. Oh, what compiler throwing error? Package system doesn't exist. Oh, if I write small s, it is reading as what? Package. I come to know third word. What is that? String literal, variable, package. Achha, there is a concept called package also. Okay. Then next, let me write O capital letter. Yeah, small y should write. Here I write O capital letter. If I write O capital letter, what it will consider? Let us see. Cannot find symbol. Array, just now we learned. If I write just a word, it is considered as variable. Now it is considered as variable. Okay. Where in the class system, in, acha, this dot refers to what? In a system class, we have a variable called what? Out. With the capital letter O, it is not there. Acha, okay. Then what is println? Is println variable? Let us try now. Capital P I am writing. Clear screen. Compile it. Compile successfully. Now we are getting error. Cannot find symbol. What am I getting now? Method. Acha. Println is not a variable. It is a method. Then what is system? System is something that has a variable, that has a method. Tell me where I can create variable and method in Java program? Class, na? Come on, guys. Okay, can I write a variable or method directly inside a Java file? No. In Java, everything must be inside a class, na? Now tell me, what is system? Class. If I write with a small s, it is a package. If I write with a capital S, what is it? Class. A class only can contain variables and methods. Tell me, what in system.out.println, what is system? Class. What is out? Already you have seen variable. What is println? Sure. It is also one word. It is also one word. How compiler tell this is a variable? How compiler telling it is a method? Dekho, after this name, what is there? Parenthesis. If a parenthesis is there, then what we call it as? Method. Without parenthesis, what is this? Variable. Everyone understand? So, right? So what is the meaning of dot? Dot means in. And tell me, where println is available? In a system, in a outer. In a out. Come on. Did you add println to system? Println to outer? Out. Repeat once again. Println is available in out. Out is available in system. So the meaning of system.out.println, using system, using out, we are calling println. So why you prepare like this lengthy statement? I will explain you later. You don't have that much maturity, okay? Just remember, if somebody asks, explain system.out.println. System.out.println is a Java print statement. It is used for printing some message on the console. Here, system is a class, out is variable, and println is method. Actually, out is not just variable. It is a object. What is it? Object. Object of which class? No. Look here. Variable out of type. Which class? Print stream. System is a class that has a variable called what? Out. This is a classroom. This classroom has a person of what type? Student. Has a person of what type? Faculty. This class system contains a variable what? Out. Out of what type? Print stream. Everyone understand? So repeat once again. What is the point? Whenever you see a dot with this one, what is the meaning? It is a variable of system type available in system. Available in system. Let me ask a question. I am writing something like this one statement here. Come on, try to think. I am writing here A dot B. Let me increase the font. Where is the font? Wait. A dot B dot M1 I have written. Okay, na? Now come on, apply that above knowledge here. A dot B dot M1 means what is A? Class. What the meaning of dot? In. And tell me, is B of type A na or B available in A na? Not of type A. So in class A, we have a variable called B of A na of some other type. Of some other type. Assume the type is what? B. In the B class, we have a method called what? M1. So M1 method belongs to B type class that is accessing by using which class? System class. So A dot B dot M1 means A has an object called what? B. That B object has a method called what? M1. Okay. Finally, with system.out.println, what you have to explain to the people? 2 points you have to tell. Number one, system.out.println is a print Java print statement. It is used for printing some message or value on console. Second point, system is a class. Out is an object of what type? Print stream created in system class. Some people are not answering. Come on, reply. Now tell me, out is a object of what type? Print stream created in system class. System is a class. Out is a object of print stream. Println is a method of system class or of print stream class? Of print stream class. You are calling println by using what? Out. Not by using system. So because you are not calling system dot println, it is not available in system class. This is the understanding you have to get. Okay. Now if you don't talk, you will not understand. If you talk, then only you will understand. Change your mind. Tell me now. Here, capital P, if you take, I got error. Println is a method. So tell me, lot of points you can learn by doing experiment from the compiler. How I have become this much strong in Java? Not by reading textbooks, because of compile time errors. While I was learning, I have a fear. What the fear? Ammo, interview ask what question I don't know. Interview may ask any question. I should be ready for all questions. All my friends are by-hearting, frequently asked question, most important interview question. If they come and ask me, "Arey, this is very important," what is the guarantee this question will ask in this interview? Always I used to tell to my friends, and also I used to tell to my students, always, there is no important question. There is no frequently asked question like in your colleges. You have to learn everything. You touch one chapter, I should not find any new point in this. Because in company, you are going to company to write important questions. Complete Java used to develop projects. Then if you learn only important questions or only frequently asked question, remaining questions, who will study? Everyone understand? For interview purpose, 40 minutes, you didn't read 2-3 questions, enough. But for your lifetime, 60 years of your life to develop project, you have to learn everything. So tell me now. So this line, all the people comfortable? In a system.out.println, any mistake is given in the written test exam. Can you correctly find out and tell? System, yes, capital letter, out, O small letter, println, P small letter. Okay, the text you are writing should be in double quotes. If you don't double quotes, it is considered as a variable. Okay, and next ends with a semicolon, right bracket. Okay, in this line, anything is there. Now your eyes are fully understood. Let us do small experiment on here. All are you ready? Tell me, in a main method, I am writing this bracket here. Hello, bracket should be only after string. Okay, I'm doing experiment. What is my experiment? Let me move this side or remove. Ante, right? I am moving bracket before arcs. Is it allowed or not allowed? Yes, sir. You don't know, I don't know. Now we are doing experiment, right? When you're doing experiment, you have to ask yourself, allowed or not allowed? Let us confirm with one. Allowed. Say allowed. Allowed, allowed. Let us give a challenge. Why don't you allow? Hello. Give warning to the compiler. Hello. Wow, allowed. Okay. Now you have to smile. Compiler, listen my orders. Sabash compiler. So what do you have to confirm now? Oh, square bracket is allowed after string. Also before arcs. Hey, main method is only required for compiler or JVM also now. If a compiler compile this statement, you should not confirm JVM. You should also verify with JVM. Is JVM accepting or not? You have to check. Java, first program, JVM. What about you? Wow, JVM is also allowed. Acha. Square bracket I can write here. Also I can write here. Then in my practice sessions, let me write square bracket here to confuse my friends. Ante kada. I should show my talent to my friends, no? Okay. If next person who is sitting this side, left side, right side, I will write square bracket here. When they look into my system, hey, bracket you are writing here, it is wrong, ra. Nee bondara. It is allowed here also. Now you can share your knowledge. Next point, tell me. Can I write square bracket after arcs? All are confident, I know. Because in college, your faculty writing after arcs only, na? So now, go here. All IT people know it. Compile, execute, allowed. Okay, na? In academics, your faculty writing after arcs only. But it is recommended after arcs or after string or? After string. So prove it, sir. Okay, let me prove. Let me remove. Okay. Let me remove the square bracket. Okay, save it. Go to command prompt. Is there any compile time error? No compile time error. Wait. Square bracket is mandatory or optional? I removed here. Square bracket I have removed. When I remove it and compile, is compiler throwing any error? No. Tell me. According to syntax, square bracket mandatory or optional? Optional. According to syntax, square bracket is optional. What about JVM? JVM will allow or not allow? Not allow. It is throwing error. Read. What the error? Main method not found in the class first program. Tell me. JVM is accepting main method just with name or with parameter also now. What is the parameter? The bracket, whatever it, that is called what? Parameter. What type of parameter is accepting? String. Where JVM is giving me square bracket after arcs, after string. That means recommendation is after arcs, after string. In Amirpet and in your colleges also people are telling write square bracket after arcs. That is recommended. My JVM people are giving here. Whom I should follow? Your Amirpet faculty or Sun Microsystem? Don't show your talent. Sun Microsystem we have to follow. So right. Tell me now. I am writing square bracket here. What is my target? I should get error. Now I am writing square bracket before string. Allowed? Come on, guys. If you are feeling boring, I will stop it and go to next point. Feel boring? If feel boring, I'll stop. Okay. If I'm not getting response means you are feeling boring, I will feel and go to next point. Aspects by boring? Not boring. Why you are not answering? Why you are expecting me to answer? Listening. Don't listen. Am I asking listen? What I'm saying? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed? And what you have to choose one option? Allowed or not allowed? Either decide. Chepo, allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Why not allowed? I'm feeling, sir. I'm feeling it is not allowed, sir. Okay. Let's see what compiler feels. Okay. It's all good. Your feelings only. Compile it. Compiler throwing. Amma, one more new word is coming. Illegal. I know. English word. Illegal. Start off. All you people are reading string. But compiler saying illegal start of string. No, what the word it is using? Oh, wherever string is there, I should not read it as a string. I should read it as a. Oh, amma, ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని words వచ్చినాయి? String, literal, variable, method. Next, package. Package I got, class I got. Now what new word? Type. Wow, so many points are coming, right? Super. Acha. Anything I write after the square bracket here, this is called what? Type. Acha. Type means data type. What? Data type. Okay. Final conclusion is what? Square bracket not allowed before string. Allowed after string. Allowed before arcs. Allowed after arcs. Other than these three places, if you write any place, compiler will throw error. Okay, done. Can I write without space like this? We don't know. We have to confirm our answer, go to compiler. If compiler is accepting our answer, you say, Sabash Mama, wonderful guess. If it is giving wrong, waste fellow. Next time guess correctly. Okay, scold yourself. Go. Compiler, not compile. Sorry. Compiler, not compile. Compile. Hey. Oh, I can write without space also. Okay, nice. What about JVM? Compiler accepted, JVM may not accept, right? Wow, JVM is also accepted. So, this is a separator. Space is what meant for what? Separator, na? Already this is a separator. That's why extra separator not required. But for clarity purpose, we are giving extra separator. So tell me, is this clearly understood? Now, I don't like it. I remove it. Square bracket, I am removing. Tell me now, if I remove square bracket, is it allowed or not allowed? From compiler point of view, allowed. It's a valid syntax. From JVM point of view, not allowed. Square bracket is compulsory. So when you're working with main method, because compiler accepted, you cannot confirm it. JVM may not be accepted. So tell me, if I write square bracket here, what was compiler throwing error? Inval, illegal start of type. Okay, type means I have another type like int. I like int. I have another type called what? Like string, I have another type also called what? Int. I'm writing int. Accepted? Compiler. What compiler told? Illegal start of string or illegal start of type? Illegal start of type. String is a valid type. Like string, are there any other types in Java? Yes. One of the types is what? Int. I have written int. But compiler should accept, na? Let's see accepted or not. Hey, accepted. This is what called analyzation and realization. By seeing the compile time error, next experiment you have to do. Compiler throw me error, illegal start of type. Okay, type means string. Like string, do you have any other types? Yes, int. Let me write int and verify will compiler allow or not. Wow, compiler accepted. Compiler accepted, but what about JVM, mama? JVM accepted or not accepted? Not accepted. JVM will throw error. Hurry, I don't want main method with other type, main method with only string type. If you provide other type, sorry, I don't allow. This is not my main method. That is your own method. Get out. 500 duplicate notes are there. You take one 500 rupees, print it and take it to the market and say, this is my 500, take it and taking a. No, this is duplicate main method, not original main method. I have written string. So tell me, all the people are comfortable with now this parameter? Now let us do some more experiments, okay? Boring? Last few minutes, okay? Last few minutes. Remove public. What is our target? As many more errors possible, that many I have to get. Further, what I have to do? Remove. Public, remove. Clear screen. Add, compile, compiler throwing. Hey, no error. That means public mandatory or optional. Syntax wise, it is optional. Let us see. JVM accepted or not? Not accepted. Main method not found in the class first program. Okay. Remove static. Compiler, syntax wise. You should come up with your answer. Syntax wise. Accepted. No error. JVM. Not accepted. Main method is not public, not static in class first program. Please define the main method as. Okay, JVM understood. Void. Syntax wise, compiler allow or not allow? Error soka. ఏం చేస్తున్నారా తెలుగు అయిందియా రెడ్ కలర్ రెడ్ షర్ట్ నీ షర్ట్ నీ చొక్క కలర్ కూడా మర్చిపోయావు రెడ్ షర్ట్ यू ओनली ना తెలుగు और हिंदी हिंदी क्या कर रहा है बैक साइड पर्सन व्हाट आर यू डूइंग తెలుగు हिंदी తెలుగేనా మొబైల్ నొక్కున్నావు బాగా ఆ విండోలోంచి దూకి చచ్చిపోరా చెప్పు లవర్ ఉందా ఏమన్నా మరి ఇంకేంట్రా ప్రాబ్లం టుడే February 15 లవర్ మెసేజ్ రా అయితే ఓకే యాక్సెప్టెడ్ then no lover means what is the problem why you are not listening class why you are checking your mobile important call came on are you businessman Dhirubhai Ambani or Mukesh Ambani sir how do you know sir I told you already right whenever class started I look at all the people connections are open suddenly this corner ting 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 connection closed message coming to in my brain hey you would read right sir I don't tell anything joke to you okay everything I'll tell truth I don't hide anything if you 1 second you don't listen also immediately connection closed error will come in my brain runtime errors will come So immediately I look at Ray, what are you? Why I call this red shirt person? He is listening, but I don't see your color of the shirt. So to warn you, I am calling in front of this person. Understood? Listen, from where you came, Mama? Hyderabad, Karnoola, Chirala, Srikakulam. ఓయమ్మో శ్రీకాకుళం నుంచి హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చింది మెసేజ్ చూసుకోవడానికి. చెప్పు, శ్రీకాకుళం ఎక్కడో ఆ మూల నుంచి ఈ మూలకు వచ్చావు, వచ్చి మెసేజ్లు చూసుకున్నావు. ఎందుకు ఇంకా 2 hours కూడా మీరు మొబైల్ నుంచి అవే ఉండకపోతే, ఇఫ్ యూ కెనాట్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మొబైల్ ఫర్ జస్ట్ 2 hours, హౌ మచ్ యు ఆర్ డ్యామేజింగ్ యువర్ లైఫ్? So think yourself. Okay, come. Now tell me now. I have removed void. Allowed or not allowed? Guess. Syntax wise? Syntax wise? Syntax wise? Not allowed. తలకాయ లేకుండా మొండం ఏం చేసుకుంటావు? Without head, what will you do with the body? Void is the head. Then what is public static? Backup. Okay, na? The markup to the method is public static. The head is what? Void. One new word is coming. Mallo kotta word. Okay, one new word is coming. Compile it. Read the error. Invalid method declaration, return type required. Try to answer. Public static void main string array asks. This head portion of this method, head portion of the method is called creating method or declaring method. In English, we call it as English create. In Java English, declare. You want to become English master or Java master? Then which vocabulary you have to take? Java English, not Java. Tell me, all you people tell me, you are here for learning Java na English? Java English? Java English. You are learning language. Which language? Java English. If you don't catch Java vocabulary, then you will fail. You will not talk. You cannot talk. You cannot get job. Understand my point? So tell me, the head portion of the method means when you are creating new method, what is the word you have to pronounce? Declaration. I declare one method. What is the name of that method? Main. I declare main method. Okay. In main method, there is another word. What is that? Return type. Tell me, void is called type. Hey, we have seen type already. What type? String, int. Now the new type is coming. What is that? Void. Oh, if I write something before method name, that is called what? Return type. If I write here in the parenthesis, that is called just type. Samajh mein aaya? Right. I have to use this word clearly. Before method name, that is return type. In the parenthesis, round bracket is technically called parenthesis. In parenthesis, it is called what? Type. Only type. Type means data type. Okay. So what is void? Void is a return type. Is it mandatory or optional? Optional. Sometimes I'll tell you wrong answers. You have to correct my mistakes. Okay. Is it mandatory or optional? Mandatory. In the interview, even though you are giving correct answer, to verify your confidence levels, we'll say, wrong, right. Okay. In written, you have to give answer. It right, not wrong. It's I am confident it is right. Okay. That's also you should remember. Tell me now, return type. Void is a return type. Is it mandatory or optional? If I remove, compiler throw error. Sorry. In place of void, I'm writing int. Tell me, is it allowed or not allowed? Everyone. Allowed or not allowed? What compiler said? Return type required. Type means what? Int also type only. As per compiler instruction, in place of void, I have written int. Syntactically correct or not? Correct. But this method is saying that I will return type and I will return what type of value? Int. Are you returning that int type of value? No. Then compiler will throw error for not type, for what? Missing return statement. What is filling? Return statement. Oh, return statement and I have to return value. What the return statement meaning? I have to write here return what value? Int. Int and integer 5. Return 5 semicolon. It is a return type. This is a return statement. Save it. As per compiler instruction, I have completed the code correctly. Compile it. Now look at the compile successfully. Am I going fast? All people understanding? Tell me. Method return type is optional or mandatory? Mandatory. What return type I have to take? The default return type is by default void. Can I change void to int or string or other type? Yes. Next tell me. If I change return type void to int, compiler accepted. What about JVM, mama? JVM will accept or will not accept? Will not accept. JVM required which main method? Int return type method or void return type? Void return type. All these points you have to do experiment in your room now. Remove this and change int to what? Void. Save it. Is it clear? Everyone? Comfortable? Now, let me try one more. Main place I am writing. Valid main method. Your eyes are most danger. Whenever 4 letters or 5 letters what you have seen, your eye can read only first letter, last letter, middle letters are imagining. Next, if you see a large word, more characters word, first 3 letters or 4 letters it will read, remaining letters it will imagine. But in Java, don't show your talent. Read each character. What is the spelling of main? M-A-I-N. What I have written? M-I-A-N. Compiler accepts. Everyone, compiler accepts. Compiler must allow. There is a valid syntax. Any name I can write, na? See, compiler follows syntactically right or not. Method name can be any name. I am choosing maina, mina, yavara, anything you can write. But for JVM, not valid. That point you have to catch. For a compiler, syntax. For a JVM, valid name. Look at the JVM throwing error. Hello, mama, I need main mama, not mine, sorry. Okay. So tell me. So finally, inside this program, what is allowed, what is not allowed? If I remove public, no compile time error, runtime error. If I remove static, no compile time error, runtime error. If I remove void, no compile time error. In place of void, if I write int, no compile time error, runtime error. If I remove main, I remove name. Okay. Person there, but no name. Now useful or useless? Useless. Is it valid syntax or invalid syntax? Invalid syntax. Compiler throwing error. Come on. Compiler throwing error. Mummy, again new word is coming. Identifier. Tell me, what is an identifier? Name. Name of a programming element. I am removing first program here. Class name also removed. Then what is the expected error? Same error. Identifier expected. Identifier is name of a class, name of a method is called what? Identifier. Is it clear? Now I am removing this args. Args is also name only, na? Remove args. Then again we will get what? Same compile time error. What error? Identifier. Identifier class name. Identifier method name. Identifier variable name. So if you create a class or method or variable without name, you will get what? Identifier expected. So finally tell me, main is mandatory or optional? Mandatory. If I don't write main, compile time error or runtime error? Compile time error. Can I write any name here? Yes. ABC, anything you can write. But no compile time error, but we'll get runtime error. Next, tell me. Here, I am removing this entire string array args. Allowed or not allowed? Compiler point of view, you have to tell. Allowed or not allowed? Compiler point of view, the parameter, mandatory or optional? Let us guess. Allowed or not allowed? Dekho, any error or no error? No error. So that means parameter, string array args, nothing but parameter, mandatory, optional. Optional from syntax point of view. But JVM, not allowed. JVM point of view, mandatory. For main method, I should have string array. So now finally, tell me if you want to create a method, public static, optional. Void method name, mandatory. Parenthesis, mandatory. And parameter, optional. Tell me if I write like this by removing optional portion. Any compile time error? No. Any runtime error? Yes. So tell me how much subject you learned today? If you learn exactly as I have explained in your lab, tomorrow onwards, do you need anybody help to solve your problems? Ardhamainda Raja? When you go to interview, when you see the written test exam question paper, will you look at a persona? You look at it like a compiler. What is this? Class. What is this? Name. What is this? Open bracket. What is this? Public, static, void. Will you read void as a void or return type? You will not read void. You will read a what? Return type. Somebody is going on the road. Can you call it as a by persona, by name? Someone going, you don't know who is that. Then what do you say? He is having 4 legs and walking on the road. 2 legs and walking on road. Then what do you say? Person. 4 legs and walking on the road. Animal. 4 wheels and walking on the road. Vehicle. What do you understand? Like how in the real world you have a common terminology, in the programming world also you will start using common terminology. Void is a return type. Method name is a identifier. Method name is a identifier. In parenthesis, parameter. String is type. String is a type. So if you understand this compiler terminology slowly, you will speak like a compiler. You'll speak like a JVM. You look at the program like a compiler. Any chance to fail in the interview? No. Now tell me, I promised you all, I will make you your first interview as a last interview. And wherever you go, you will come out with an appointment letter. 100% guarantee. When provided if you follow me, sincerely, strictly, if you implement my techniques, 100% your knowledge day by day improved, and your confidence day by day improved. And anybody is talking in Java, you will go and participate. Come on, what is Java? Okay, if you find in your room or hostel experienced people are there, you will start like to talk with them. If you find your juniors, why? Juniors not having any knowledge, right? When you find seniors, you will start getting interest to talk to them. Why? Seniors having more knowledge than you know. Whenever they are talking, more terminology you will understand, and you wanted to learn more from them. When you will get that interest, you are having skill. When you don't have skill, you always want to talk to the juniors who don't know any knowledge. So which side you want? Junior side or senior side? Always we must find one step ahead than others. We must find a person who is better than us. Then only we can go to their level. Once I move to their level, again find one more person who is better than us. And finally, you have to become better than all people. And you should help other people to pull to your level. Understand my point? So tell me, if I don't teach today class, do you know today class topic is there? Is today class knowledge there in any textbook? Any YouTube? Any website? No. This is my style of learning. This is my style of teaching. Next, I always open to you. I always ready to give you my full knowledge to you. I don't think about, this much knowledge I give to my student, he will may become competitor to me. Can he be a competitor to me? Never. Last 19 years, as you surprised, I never touch any subject. I'm teaching only core Java. I have been teaching only core Java for last 19 years. Still, I remain as a #1 faculty. There are some people who don't like me, but still they will also tell me what? Harikrishna is best. Go and join Harikrishna class. They don't like me. They join the class and they have some problems out of my class. After course completed or in the middle drop also, if somebody asks, okay, I want to learn core Java, whose batch I have to join? Harikrishna. Already you face problem. I face. You don't face. You go. And he knows the problems not because of me. The problems are because of his bad nature, his bad attitude. He don't want to follow me. He joined my course, but he want me to follow him. But I never follow. I want to give you success because your success is my success. Next batch is filled only based on your knowledge only, na? And you go and check YouTube and many places. You never find much reviews on me. under my video, you don't find many comments. My Hare Krishna, that to this, to, no. But still, my batches are always filled. Even in recession also. Even there is no jobs also. In market now, IT jobs are there? No. But still students are coming to my class. Students are ready, get ready. Okay, and next, COVID time, all institutes are closed, but Naresh IT not closed. All faculties are closed, but Hare Krishna didn't close. It's all because of I am open-minded, giving more knowledge, helping you more, and torturing you to learn more. Somebody is sleeping, I don't allow him to sleep. I will disturb him. Somebody going deviated, I don't allow him to deviate. Hey, look at me. Even online students also I am monitoring, following who is answering, who is not answering. Because these are the beginning classes. I don't want much target online students. Only first I want to target offline students. All offline students are come on to the track and learning. Then target will be online. Such a whoever not listening, not replying, I will remove them from the class. 2 classes. Okay. If I remove for them for 2 classes, then 3rd class onwards, they will be alert. 2 hours. Generally, how online students will listen the class now? Lay down on the bed like a Lord, Vishnu, they will listen the class. Okay. Some people join the class, go away from the class. Go away from the laptop. I will monitor everything. Okay. And I will, who is replying, who is not replying. Sir, how do you know, sir? Dekho. Zoom is giving me full control. Your name, everything will come here. Who is answering, who is not answering, how much you are answering. Okay. How many times you replied, at what time you replied, for what question you replied. Complete chart will be there with me. I have written one program to select the people, how many people are there in the class, who replied, who not replied. Everything I am going to track. Next day, I will call them with the names. See, offline students, you can see their names here. I will call Ramarao. Ramarao. Reply in the chat. Not Ramarao. Ramarao M. Not Kasi Ramarao. Kasi Ramarao. Okay. Kasi Ramarao, Baba. Yeah. Now Ramarao is not replying. That means he is not in the class. He left somewhere. What I will do? Put in waiting room. Okay. Understood? Nagaraju Golla. Yeah, super. Okay. Next. Venkat. Daradi. Vikrant, sorry. Vikrant Rona. Not Vikram. Yeah. So in the middle, I will call and I'll put in the waiting room. Then the class is gone. Understand my point? So be alert in the class. Offline students, currently my focus is fully on offline students. Next, online students focus will be there. Nanna Bujji, torture will be there. Payments completed, no? Demo people are gone. So demo people I should not torture because they may interested, may not interested. Now you join the course means you are interested to learn. Sometimes as a student, you will not have that much focus. Sometimes suddenly you will lose your interest. We need someone to always monitor us, correct us, our mistake, put them in a proper track. I'm such a faculty. Every minute I'll be next to you. Not only during the class, after class also. Okay, after class also I will track you. Okay, and next I will give you coming days assignments. And who are completing assignments, who are not completing assignments also I will track. By end of the course, who are more active, okay, I will send your details to your seniors. If are there any jobs in their company, they will recommend. I will send your details to admin. If any jobs in our placement department need candidates, I will send your details to them. Understand my point? who are more active in the class, who are more interacting with me, who are more close to me, you will get more benefits. Okay, clear my point? I'm not your college lecturer. I'm not cut the marks, internal marks. Okay, I don't have any internal marks in my hand. You can freely move with me. Okay, again and again, I'm telling you, I am your best friend. I am here to help you to learn. I'm not here for trouble you. I'm here for serve you. So if you don't take my services, if you're running away, not replying, not correcting your mistakes, not giving answers, ultimately, who is the loser? You, not me. Understood my point? Right. Now come back to the subject again. Hey, 1 minute, don't close. Now, final conclusion, buddy. What is our target? Find as many errors as. How can you find errors? Either by changing the existing statements or by removing. What am I doing? Remove this. Any compile time error? No. Any runtime error? No. Any runtime error? No. No compile time error? No runtime error. No output. Like that. What should I do? Remove it. And next, what should I do? Remove it. And next, what I should do? Remove it. You keep on remove. Finally, you create what? Empty Java file. By creating empty Java file, you compile and execute. See what is the suspense, thriller output you will get. Okay. So tomorrow I will ask you, when I remove empty Java file, what happened also, you should answer. Okay. What the time? 10:30. Okay. All the people are got confidence on how to work, how to solve the errors by your own. Now, what I am expecting from all you people, the assignment I am asking you, you have to do. Tell me, sir, if you want to be a best developer, first you should be a best tester. I want to share my experience in company. Okay, after 2 months completed, my team lead is nothing but my CEO only. Okay, my project handling by CEO for one client. One requirement got for my client. He sent that requirement to me, told in a oral, by calling, he told me, Hari, this is a requirement, complete the task. Okay. Then, before he's going for his night time, it's our daytime, right? He just given an assignment, he went log out from the system. Then by evening, he came back. It's a night time completed, daytime started, our night time. Before I am leaving, he pinged me, Hari, his test cases are ready. Or test cases ready. I replied to him, what test cases? Development not completed. Na? I'm still developing. Hey, who asked you to develop, man? Hey, you told na this is requirement completed. So I'm writing the code. Oh my God. Are you from Amirpet? Understand? I replied, yeah, Amirpet. That is the problem. Our Amirpet learning style is wrong. Company development style is different. Our learning style is different. In company, you should not write program directly. First, you have to prepare test cases. Test cases means what is the input I will give to this program and what is the expected result. Okay, now what is the expected result? So if you prepare it, then only you have to go for writing. Okay, what are the possible inputs I can give to my project? Then for each input, what is the expected result? First, you prepare test cases. He told me, no hurry, you are going in wrong way. First, you have to prepare test cases. What inputs? What is the expected result? Then only you can write at a shot without any mistakes, without any further modifications, you can write the code. Stop development. First, you prepare test cases. Then I started learning real Java. The Java what I learn Amirpet is a Tumri Java, useless Java. Then type, look at here. So what you have to do, you have to prepare test cases. Error. Okay, not error. I can say modification. Okay, modification, or else you can say test case one, test cases. and then errors. Error. Test case 1. What the error? Remove semicolon. What the error coming? Compile time error or runtime error? Compile time error shortcut is what? C. Runtime error shortcut is RE. Compile time error. What the compile time error? You write compile time error. Semicolon expected. Okay. Next. Next test case 2. What you are doing? Remove end double quote. Remove end double quote. Then what you will get? Compile time error. What the compile time error? Unclosed string literal. Understand? Like this. I want minimum. Like this, I want minimum 30 test cases. Really, minimum 30 test cases you will get. Will you write notes? Will you prepare this assignment? Really? Minimum 30 assignments you will get. I mean, 30 test cases you will get. And how many errors you are learning? 30 errors. Just think, 30 errors means next programs, how much easy for you. You will get a feeling. I know second program, third program, fourth program, fifth program, going on. Number of errors, learning increased or decreased? Think, number of errors increased or decreased? Decreased. Every program you are following same syntax or new syntax? Same syntax means same errors are repeated. Same semicolon, same double quote, same open bracket, same parenthesis, same type, same square bracket, isn't it? Maximum going on, you will find 0 errors come from the program. Are you following my point? Beginning days, if you take hard work, if you do hard work, going on, you will get happy life. And a system you have to prepare. If you want a happy life forever, you have to prepare a system. The system should work for you. The system is for you learners are what? Compile time errors. Clear my point? Today, what I have explained, today topic is you have a syllabus sheet now? Introduction to Java. Open that. Look at here. Last class we have completed program 1, following by escape sequence characters completed, more practice programs completed. Now we have learned what? Solving compile time errors and runtime errors. Okay, solving compile time errors and runtime errors. This is the topic we completed. And here we have learned so many questions. Let me show you all questions. Compiler and JVM interview questions we are complete. What is a compiler? And tell me, what is a compiler? Compiler is a software. What software is it? It is a software. What software? Is it a software for running or is it a software for translating? What to what? Source code to byte code. Nothing but translation software. What is a compiler? Compiler is a translation software. What the role of compiler? Compiler is responsible for converting source code to byte code. During that conversion, it verifies syntax mistakes. Read the source code, check the syntax errors are there. If no syntax errors, convert them to bytecode and save the bytecode in a new file with a class name dot class as the name. What is JVM? I'm not asking full form, Ray. What is JVM? Like compiler, JVM is also a software. But what is the role of JVM? It is responsible for running. Na? Tell me, any software that runs is called platform. What is JVM? JVM is a Java platform. It is responsible for running Java bytecode. Types of errors. We have two types of errors. What are the two types of errors? Compile time errors and runtime errors. What is a compile time error? An error. I'm not asking why you will get compile time error. I'm asking what is compile time error. An error that is occurred during compilation is called compile time error. Why compile time error we will get? Because of syntax mistake. Who will throw compile time error? Compiler will throw compile time error. Is it clear? Next, what is runtime error? An error that is occurred during program execution. Why runtime error will get? Because of syntax mistakes or wrong logic. Wrong logic. Because of syntax mistake, we will get compile time error. All syntax mistakes are corrected. Because of wrong logic or wrong value, we will get runtime error. Next, who will throw runtime error? JVM. Runtime error has a alias name. Compile time error has only compile time error, but runtime error has a alias name. What the runtime error alias name? JVM will throw runtime error. Okay, na? Alias name for runtime error is exception. What? Exception. Exception is the alias name. Okay. What will happen when we get compile time error? Program execution is terminated. Sorry. Program compilation is terminated. Dot class file generated or not generated? Program compilation is terminated. Dot class file is not generated. Okay. What will happen when we get runtime error? When runtime error get obviously terminated. Program execution terminated fully or partially. Suppose I am writing 10 lines. In a fifth line, I got the runtime error. Then the previous 4 lines are executed, output displayed or not. Down 5 lines are not executed. Are you following? That means program execution terminated normally or abnormally? Abnormal. Abnormally means previous lines are executed, down lines are not executed. Let me show you one small program. Class, I'm taking division. Open bracket, closure bracket. Public, static, void, main of, string array, args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Inside main method, I am writing system dot out dot println. I am writing double quotes. Main start. Copy paste. Main end. Between, I am writing 10 by 0. This is a mathematical expression, mathematical calculation. Division 10 by 0. I am dividing a number by 0. In maths, what the result? Infinity. Achha. So in mathematics, it is what? Infinity. Let us see now in Java, will you get infinity or not? Java basics, open command prompt, compile Java C, division.java. Are there any syntax mistakes in the program? No. I have written every line with the proper syntax. No compile time error. If no compile time error, dot class file generated? Yes. Okay, division dot class file is generated. Then I'm running Java division. When I run Java division, JVM search for division dot class file. Is it available? Division dot class file available. What is the logic available in division dot class file? This logic only na. JVM starts execution from first line to last line. Main method. Main method first line to last line. Main method first line, main start. What is the message will come on console? Main start. Second line 10/0. Then what the message should come? Infinity. Let's see, will get infinity or not? No infinity. We will get some error. Tell me, this error is compile time error or runtime error? Exception. So tell me, what is runtime error is also called as exception. Compile time error, compile time error. Runtime error, exception. In thread main, what is the exception? Java.lang.arithmetic exception. Why that exception? Divided by 0. Where the exception is coming? In a division.main method in division.java file, line number 4. So tell me, if you want to solve this exception, I should go to division.java file to the line number 4. Like a compiler, JVM is also showing the line number where you got the problem. Go to line number 4 and tell me how to solve runtime error. Remove this line by changing the value. 0 changing to 2. Save it. Go clear here and compile successfully. Execute. Any exception? No. So tell me, why you will get runtime errors? Is it because of syntax mistakes or because of wrong values? Wrong values and wrong logic. So hope you got clarity on difference between compile time error and runtime error. So tell me, what the alias name of runtime error? Exception. What will happen when we get runtime error? Sorry, compile time error. Compilation is failed. Dot class file is not generated. What happened when we get runtime error? Execution is terminated abnormally. Full output we will get a half output. Will get remaining statements will not execute. How can we solve compile time error? By changing the code. How can we solve runtime error? By changing value. Compile time error display format. Java file name, line number, message. Runtime error display format, same. Java file, line number, and reason for the exception also you will get. How does JVM know .java file? Okay, this we'll see later. This is little difficult. Okay. Now answer these questions. If the .java file is not found with the given file name, what will happen? Now go here, command prompt, Java C, a.java. Tell me, did I develop a.java? With a.java, compiler find this file? No. Then we'll get compile time error or runtime error? Compile time error, file not found. If I type Java A, then JVM searching for dot class file with what name? A. With a dot class. File is there or not there? Not there. Then what happened? We will get compile time error or runtime error? Runtime error. What the compile time error? File not found. What the runtime error? Class not found. Okay, now a.java is file. That's why error is what? File not found. A is what? Class. That's why error is what? Class not found. Okay, class is available, but main method is not available. Dot class file is found, but main method is not found in the class. What will happen? We will get runtime error. Main method not found. Main method is mandatory for execution. Can we compile a class without main method? Yes. Can we execute a class without main method? So these all points we have completed successfully with a detailed knowledge. So if you practice all these points, then you will be better than yesterday. Don't compare you with others. Compare you with yourself. How I am yesterday, how I am today. So from yesterday to today, am I able to speak in Java? Am I able to find errors in Java? Am I able to find the flow of execution telling the correct output? Am I able to write the given programs? This is what your mindset. Yesterday to today, there should be progress in you. Otherwise, you are going to fail in your career. Day by day, I will start adding many points. initial classes, if you practice, next classes will be easy. So today our target is what? Understanding, solving compile time errors and runtime errors, understanding. Understanding compiler and JVM interview questions. And what is the today assignment, buddy? You must find 30 minimum test cases. Where is this? 30 minimum test cases you have to prepare and come. This is your assignment. Can I expect everyone will work? If you don't work, who will lose? You will lose. Next classes will be very difficult. You want to make day by day easy or difficult, it is in your hand. Being a HK product, you will be expert when you work. I'm not compromising. I hope you will also not compromise. Thank you. That's all for today class. JVM entry questions, these only, na? 10 by 0. We are not writing quotation. 10 by 0, if you write quotation, what will come? 10 by 0 will come. You want to print 10 by 0, it's result. Result means it should not be in double quotes. If you write in double quotes, it is considered as a text. Your wish, whatever you write, it will execute and give you result. Sir, 10 by 0 it is infinity, sir. But, infinity in maths. In Java, it is error. In data type chapter, I'll explain. In data type chapter, I'll explain. Main method, then how it will compile? Sorry? Sir, if there will be no main method, then how it will compile? Compilation purpose, main method is not required. Compilation syntax is required, that's it. For compilation, just a syntax is required. Main method not required. Top to bottom, it verifies syntaxes. Clear? Okay, offline students, on your ID card, there should be admin signature. If you didn't get today's signature, please take it now and go. Okay, na? Verify your ID card by admin and go, so that tomorrow when you come back, time will not be wasted. Clear my point? Go. I'll upload. 1 minute. Online students, offline students, there is no difference. First, you stop asking the question for online. That is a bad question. Okay? Today, what I have explained, did I dictate any notes? When there is no notes dictation, that means this is only explanation. You have to remember and implement the assignment. That's it. First half class, I didn't explain anything. Okay? Don't miss tomorrow. It is not LKG, UKG classes you join. This is the programming. Some days notes will be there, some days explanation will be there. Clear? What about today questions? What questions? Sudhir, syllabus is there on nareshid.com. Go and download from there. Aim notes. ఇంకా పేమెంట్స్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా, ఇంకా ఆయన అడ్మిన్ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ? రెండుని కంబైన్ చేస్తే ఎలా వర్క్ అయ్యింది? సిడి చేస్తున్నారు, జావా సి చేస్తున్నారు. అందుకే చెప్పా ఫస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ వాడద్దు. మీరు ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో పాయింట్ బై పాయింట్ మీ మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి. మీకు మీ పాయింట్, మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడికి నడుచుకుని వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ నడవకూడదు, ఎలా నడవాలో తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి, మెట్ల ద్వారా కానీ లిఫ్ట్ ద్వారా కానీ వెళ్ళాలి అని మైండ్లో ఉంటేనే మీకు చేయగలరు. అవునా? మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, సిడి రాశారు, దాని పక్కన జావాసి రాశారు, రెండింటిని ఒకసారి చేసేస్తే ఎలా వర్క్ అయితే అవ్వదు కదా. ఫస్ట్ ఫోల్డర్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి, సిడి అది చేసి ఎంటర్, ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్, దాని తర్వాత జావాసి టైప్ చేయాలి కంపైలేషన్కి అని ఎప్పుడు రావాలి, సిస్టంలో రావాలా మైండ్లో ఉండాలా? అది చెప్తున్నాను, అది నేర్చుకోండి.
The double quote, so in that syntax error, they are showing the arrow in first double quote, while the arrow, while the missing double quote in last. But when you remove the semicolon, the arrow will show in the semicolon where we have to put the semicolon. So why it is not showing where we have to put the double quote? Why is showing first thing?
Because compiler software don't know where you want to end it. Double quote start point is there. Where you want to end the double quote in this text, compiler don't know, na? That's why dear Babu, start double quote is there, end double quote is not there. Compiler software know according to syntax where semicolon must be. Okay, but where double quotes you want to close? After Krishnana, after Harina, or in the middle Harina, or in the Krishnana, I don't know. So it is start is there, close is not there. You please decide where you want to close.
So one thing is when you remove the void and instead of void you are putting end. So in the error, they are showing the error in four line, but there was no fourth line in the program. When you are putting return
Fourth line is closed bracket.
close bracket in the
Method closed bracket is fourth line, na? Each sentence you are writing will be line number. Class, line number 1. Main method, line number 2. System data, line number 3. Closed bracket is line number 4. And before closing the method, you should write return statement. That is the meaning. Okay? Good observation.
మీరు చెప్పేది అవుట్పుట్ ఇన్పుట్ ఎలా చేయాలో అర్థమవుతుంది సార్, కానీ రూమ్లోకి వెళ్తే ఎలా చేయాలో అర్థం కాదు సార్. సొంతంగా చేయలేకపోతాను, రివ్యూ చేయాలి సార్, చూసి చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. నేను ట్రిపుల్ సార్, నాకు కోడింగ్ ఏం అవగాహన.
ఫస్ట్ అది తీసి నీ మైండ్ నుంచి, నేను ట్రిపుల్ అంతే నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు, తీసే. అదే చేయలేకపోతున్నాను, తీసే మైండ్ నుంచి. నేను ఐటీ వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అయిద్దని చెప్పానా? అసలు నేను ఆ వర్డ్ వాడాను ఎక్కడన్నా? మరి నువ్వెందుకు నేను ట్రిపుల్ అని ఎందుకు అనుకుంటున్నావు? నువ్వు నేను ట్రిపుల్ అనుకున్నావంటే ఇంక అక్కడ అయిపోయింది. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు ట్రిపుల్ సిఎస్ఈనా పాయింట్ కాదు. తర్వాత నేను ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ని చదివావా? ఏం చదివా చెప్పు. స్టెప్స్ టు డెవలప్ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెప్పు. స్టెప్స్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టెప్స్ టు డెవలప్ ఏ జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ అని నోట్స్ ఇచ్చానా? ఎందుకు రాయలేదు? అది నీ మిస్టేక్, ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. నేను చెప్పింది మీరు చేయకపోతే మీకు రాదు. మీకు నచ్చింది ఆన్లైన్లో పెట్టాను, పెడితే ఏం చేస్తావు? ఎలా చేస్తావు ప్రాక్టీస్? అది క్లాస్లో ఎందుకు చేయలేదు? లేజినెస్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ లేజినెస్ యు ఆర్ ఫెయిలింగ్. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్సే. మీరు నేను చెప్పిన నోట్స్ని చదవకపోతే మీరు తర్వాత పాయింట్లో రాదు. నేను చెప్పినట్టుగా నేను ఎలా చేయమంటే అలాగే చెయ్యాలి. అలా చెయ్యకుండా మీకు నచ్చినట్టు మీరు చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే అల్టిమేట్గా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరే ఫేస్ చేస్తారు.
కానీ మీరు పబ్లిక్ వైడ్ అయినాయి కదా సార్, అవి మీరు ఇన్పుట్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, ఫస్ట్ చెప్తారు కదా సార్, క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తారు, అవుట్పుట్లో ఎలా చేయాలా, అది ఎలా సేవ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎలా మనకు అవుట్పుట్ రావాలి, ఎలా రన్ చేయాలా, మీరు ఆడలేదు.
అదే ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాకపోతే సెకండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? నీకు అసలు ముందర వాక్ చేయటమే రాకుండా పరిగెత్తడం ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? నువ్వు నడవటమే నేర్చుకోకుండా పరిగెత్తడం రావట్లేదు సార్ అంటున్నావు. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను? ముందర నడవటం నేర్చుకోరా అంటున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామే ఎలా కంపైల్ చేయాలి, ఎలా రన్ చేయాలి, ఎలా సేవ్ చేయాలి నువ్వు నేర్చుకోలేదు. తర్వాత ఎలా వస్తాయి? అక్కడ అయిపోయావు, నువ్వు ఫస్ట్లోనే అయిపోయావు. ఆల్రెడీ ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ మూడ్ ఆఫ్ 3 days. నేను ఇంకా సాటర్డే దగ్గరే ఉన్నావు. మళ్ళీ అదే అడుగుతున్నావు, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నావు. నువ్వు తినకుండా తినటం ఎలా అని అడుగుతున్నావు. నేనేం చేసేది? ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు తిను. ఫస్ట్ నీకు ఆ పాయింట్స్ మైండ్లో ఉండాలి. ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ఏంటి, ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అంటే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి, నేను డెవలప్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే నేను ఏం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి, పబ్లిక్ క్లాసు, మెయిన్ మెథడ్, ఎస్ఓపిఎల్ఎన్, క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్, ఈ 3 లైన్లు కలిపి ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటారు. డెవలప్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అన్నప్పుడు నేను ఆ 3 లైన్లు రాయాలి. రాసిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ దేనికోసం, ప్రింట్ యువర్ నేమ్ అంటే డబుల్ కోట్స్ నా నేమ్ రాయాలి, ప్రింట్ స్టార్ డబుల్ కోట్స్లో స్టార్ రాయాలి, ప్రింట్ మల్టిపుల్ లైన్స్, మల్టిపుల్ ఎస్ఓపి లైన్స్ రాయాలి అన్న ఐడియా వస్తుంది నీకు. అసలు నువ్వు డెవలప్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామే నీకు అర్థం కాలేదు, నువ్వు నేర్చుకోలేదు, ఇంకా తర్వాత ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? అర్థమైందా? అందరికి అర్థం అవుతుంది, నీకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అంటే ఎవరిలో మిస్టేక్ ఉన్నట్టు,
నాకు
ఏ
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
మిస్టేక్ ఉన్నట్టు?
మీరు చెప్పింది నేను రాసుకోలేదు ఫస్ట్.
చెప్పింది చేయట్లేదు, నువ్వు లేజీగా కూర్చుని ఆరాంసే కబుర్లు
అంటే
చెప్పుకుంటున్నావు.
వింటున్నా సార్, కానీ
నేను చెప్పానా, వినమని చెప్పానా? నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను క్లాస్లో? లిజన్ అన్నానా? ఒక్క రోజుగా నేను లిజన్ అని చెప్పను. కాబట్టి అబ్జర్వ్, రేపు క్లాస్ రికార్డింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వెళ్ళి విను. రికార్డింగ్ డెమో క్లాస్ చేస్తున్నా కదా, ఒక్కసారి కూడా నేను లిజన్ అన్నాను. రిప్లై అంటాను, టెల్ మీ, ఐ విల్ కీప్ ఆన్ సే ఓన్లీ వన్ వర్డ్, టెల్ మీ నౌ. లిజన్ అని కూడా అన్నాను. అది మీ మిస్టేక్.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ వస్తుంది కదా సార్. అంటే
అందరికి వచ్చిందిగా, అందరికి వచ్చింది
నాకు
కదా.
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్, కానీ
అదే చెప్తున్నా కదా, నువ్వు లిజన్ చేస్తున్నావు, చెప్పట్లేదు. వెన్ యూ డోంట్ టెల్, యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్. వెన్ యూ టెల్, యూ విల్ గెట్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈజ్ టెల్లింగ్, దట్స్ వై దే ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్. You are listening, that's why you are in a listening mode only, listening place only. You cannot do. Only people who will tell, they can do. People who listen, only they can listen. And so where you want, you decide. ఏదమ్మా దేంట్లో? లక్ష్మి, I don't write everything you have to write. Every day I am telling the same point. If you guys don't listen, if you do whatever you want, then you will be facing problem. I will not facing the problem. In demo class also I told, every day I am telling you. And clearly I told my instructions before taking admission itself. I don't share. Whenever I feel to share, I will share. Whatever I am saying, you have to write. When I say write down, you should write. If you are in your own world, that is your problem, not my problem. Change your mindset. Join class on time, be in the class, and write everything, whatever I am saying. Okay? If you miss first 3 or 4 classes, already shared the recorded videos in WhatsApp channel. Go and check it. Okay? Thank you. Any other questions, students? Online students? Thank you, guys. No questions. We'll see you tomorrow.